Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to edit your phone number on LinkedIn. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to LinkedIn, open the app. After that go and click on your picture on the top left of the screen. After that go and click on settings. After that go to account preferences. Go to name, location and industry. Scroll down until you find edit contact info. And as you can see here, this is my phone number. I can edit it. Of course, you should only edit with numbers. And after that, you can choose what type of phone is this. Is it mobile or is it work, home, whatever. And after that, you have just to click on save. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.